This video explains how to perform particle size analysis using the iWorks software. The particles analysis function is designed to work for a variety of materials applications. We will use a micrograph of ductile cast iron as an example to demonstrate how easy it is to conduct particle size analysis using iWorks software. Step 1. Load the image into iWorks software. Click File Open in the menu bar to import the image into the software. Usually, before conducting measurements, it's necessary to pre-process the image to ensure its quality for analysis. iWorks offers a variety of tools, including dark field correction, contrast enhancement, and noise reduction. Additionally, we need to calibrate the image and add a scale bar. Click on the Measure tab, then select Calibration and Scale Marker. We can easily accomplish this by using the automatic calibration function to obtain the scale marker. Here we use a processed image for measurement. Step 2. Start the particle size analysis function. Click the Process button to start the particle size analysis function. Highlight the objects on the image to detect with the automatic segmentation by thresholding. Adjust the threshold button as needed to achieve the best result. Set the particle size range as required and classify accordingly. The Measure Item tool offers various types of statistical data. We can choose which items to display in the measurement results. Then, click the Measure button to analyze, classify, and measure the detected objects. Various tools are available to revise the detected objects. For instance, you can easily split or merge particles. The display settings can be used to adjust the properties of text color, font, and font size in the measurement results. When everything is ready, you can export the data to an Excel sheet to create your report. Step 3. Export measurements. Click the Report button and choose Send to Excel. Save measurements using writable or export to a desired format. Now, all the measurements and graphs are presented in an Excel sheet. Using the iWorks software, we easily completed the particle size analysis on the image of ductile cast iron. Particle size analysis in 3 steps. First, import images, pre-process, and calibrate them. Second, detect particles using threshold, then measure and analyze the image. Lastly, export measurements and create reports. Thank you for watching. To find out more about the iWorks software, please visit lanoptik.com.